Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Office 2024 completely legally using official tools from Microsoft. No cracks, no unauthorized methods. So if you want a safe and genuine setup, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, we'll create a dedicated folder on your desktop to keep everything organized. Right-click on your desktop, select New, then choose Folder, and name it Office 2024. This will help manage all installation files easily throughout the process. Next, open your browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Click on the official Microsoft link and download the tool to your system. Once the download is complete, install or extract it inside the Office 2024 folder you just created. Now, we'll customize the installation. Open a new browser tab and search for the Office Customization tool. When you're on the official page, start by selecting your system architecture, either 32-bit or 64-bit, depending on your PC configuration. Then, choose the Office version you want to install, such as Office 2024 or Microsoft 365, based on your needs. After this, you'll be prompted to select the version of Office. Choose the version that best suits your needs, whether it's the latest release or a specific edition you prefer. Once selected, you'll see a list of Office apps. Here, you can customize your installation by turning apps on or off, depending on what you actually need. This helps avoid unnecessary apps and keeps your setup lightweight. Next, select your preferred language. Inside the Office Customization tool, you'll find a list of supported languages. Choose the one you're most comfortable with, making sure it matches your usage requirements. Now that your setup is fully customized, it's time to export your configuration. On the right-hand side, click the Export button. This will generate a configuration file in XML format, which contains all the settings you just selected. Once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and locate the configuration.xml file. Copy this file and paste it into the Office 2024 folder that we created earlier on the desktop. Keeping everything in one place ensures a smooth and error-free installation process. Now, the next step is to move the Office 2024 folder to your C drive. This helps avoid permission issues during installation and keeps everything running smoothly. After that, we need to open Command Prompt with administrative privileges. Go to the Windows search bar, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This step is important because the installation requires elevated permissions. Once Command Prompt opens, type CD, which stands for Change Directory, followed by a space, but don't press Enter yet. Now go back to your Office 2024 folder, click on the address bar in File Explorer, and copy the full folder path. Return to Command Prompt, paste the path after CD, and press Enter. This will take you directly into the correct folder. Now that you're in the right directory, it's time to start the installation. Type the following command and press Enter, setup/configure configuration.xml. This command tells the Office Deployment tool to begin installing Office using the configuration file you created earlier. The installation process will now begin. Depending on your internet speed and selected apps, this may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, it's time to verify everything. Open Microsoft Word or any other Office app you selected. If it opens smoothly and is ready to use, then everything is installed correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Microsoft Office 2024 using the official method. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more tech tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.